All right. So, got a couple of thin pieces of corrugated steel, and to show you, no cheating or anything, and like that. I'm gonna put a short video up as well. It's probably a picture up on my community page, but that's a 0159, so close to a 016, but which falls into the category of about a 26 gauge material. I'm gonna MiG weld this up just using a hard wire. And it's one of the reasons why I think the hard wire is one of the most versatile there is. Because I can use it for TIG welding if I feel, and I do quite a bit on my little art projects. I use the wire from the machine. Take a little clamp, hide it over here. Yeah, really, maybe. Maybe not. But you can see nothing behind there. We're just gonna run a seam weld, and there's a little gap there too. So do it on that side there. I don't want it to cause any stress on the sheet metal while I'm welding it, so I'm trying to find a good spot for it. Maybe if I clean off the table. Now it's pulling on that sheet metal there. That lifts it up. Oh, that works right there. Shoot, why did I not think of that in the first place? And I'll tack it all over the place just so when I do weld it, it doesn't end up going all over the place, and you know, north goes south and south goes north, things like that. So. Oh shoot. Put a couple holes in it, look at that. But we'll fill them in just for fun. Alright, and that is how I do it. So you can see the back side and everything got plenty of penetration through there, and very minimal BBs and things like that. I'm running a CO2 gas to keep it cooler. If you run a mixed gas, it'll run a little bit hotter, so that's why I run the CO2 gas. But hope y'all enjoy the video. As always, peace.